Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add or remove BCC automatically in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the composition tools you'll need for this tutorial. Once your inbox is loaded, you'll want to access the email composition screen. Look at the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This will open up a blank email window where you can compose messages and access various formatting and field options. Now, from the email composition screen, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see several tabs. Navigate to the Options tab and click on it. This tab contains various settings that control how your emails are displayed and what fields are visible when you're composing messages. Once the Options menu opens, look for the Show Fields section. You'll notice a button labeled BCC right there. This is actually a toggle button, which means clicking it once will enable the feature and clicking it again will disable it. When you click the BCC button to enable it, the BCC field will automatically appear in all your new email compositions from now on. This is incredibly useful if you frequently send emails where you need to include hidden recipients without the primary recipients knowing. On the other hand, if you click the BCC button again to disable it, the BCC field will be removed from your email composition window. This helps keep your interface clean and uncluttered if you don't regularly use BCC functionality. The beauty of this toggle is that it gives you complete control over your email composition layout. You can turn it on when you need it and turn it off when you don't, making your workflow more efficient and tailored to your specific needs. And that's it. You now know how to add or remove the BCC field automatically in Outlook, giving you more control over your email composition experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.